Android 17 changes everything. It is a new operating system built on a powerful, intelligent system. While older operating systems left users to do the work, Android 17 uses Gemini to handle tasks. Apps are no longer separate, but work together seamlessly. Gemini streamlines your workflow. It can read your screen, book tickets, and let you confirm the payment in just 3 simple steps. Meet Rambler, your voice assistant. It listens to you, removes unnecessary filler words, and types out clean, professional text. Android 17 introduces new multitasking capabilities. Apps shrink into floating bubbles, allowing you to move through your tasks faster. Standard phones can be limiting for gamers. Foldable devices change the game by offering a built-in gamepad, driving more excitement and sales. For creators, Android 17 makes recording effortless. It captures your screen and your camera feed simultaneously, stitching them into a single video. The Continue On feature connects your devices. Start a document on your phone and finish it on your tablet without missing a beat. It is easy to get distracted by social media. Pause Point stops the infinite scroll, helping you maintain your focus. Scammers often try to fake calls from your bank. Android 17 checks the bank app and protects you by blocking the scammer automatically. Your device security is a priority. Find Hub helps lock your device if it is stolen, while biometric features keep your data safe. We respect your privacy. Android 17 limits app data access, giving you the choice to share your location only once. Heavy apps often drain your battery. Android 17 sets smart memory limits to keep your phone running faster and more efficiently. In summary, Android 17 offers AI agents for tasks, professional multitasking to drive sales, and ultimate security to build trust. Customers demand smarter devices. Android 17 is the future. It is time to stock the new lineup.